Good morning students. Today we will learn about grade 9 Geography chapter 1 India size and location. Before entering to that concept, we will discuss about latitudes, longitudes and global grid. What do you mean by latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary lines used to locate places on the surface of the earth. Latitudes are imaginary lines used to locate places on the surface of the earth. Latitudes are drawn on the globe that run parallel to the equator. Latitudes are drawn on the globe that run parallel to the equator. They mark the distance of a place north or south of the equator. They mark the distance of a place north or south of the equator. Let us discuss about some important latitudes. Already we have learned in our previous class. The important latitudes are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle are the important latitudes. Equator is marked as 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer is marked as 23.5 degree north. Arctic Circle is marked as 66.5 degree north. Tropic of Capricorn is marked as 23.5 degree south. Antarctic Circle is marked as 66.5 degree south. These are the important latitude lines. Let us discuss about longitudes. What do you mean by longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Longitudes are imaginary lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. Longitudes are also known as meridians. Longitudes are also known as meridians. Already you know latitudes are also known as parallels. Longitudes are also known as meridians. The 0 degree meridian is known as prime meridian. The 0 degree meridian is known as prime meridian. Meridian mark the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. Meridian mark the distance of a place east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian and international dateline are the important meridians. Let us discuss about global grid. What do you mean by global grid? The lines of latitude and longitude cross each other to form the global grid. The lines of latitudes and longitudes. The lines of latitudes and longitudes cross each other to form the global grid. The global grid is used to find the location of a place. The global grid is used to find the exact location of a place. Let us recall, what do you mean by latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are also known as parallels. Some of the important latitudes are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle. Longitudes are imaginary lines. Longitudes are also known as meridians. The 0 degree meridian is known as prime meridian. Next, global grid. The lines of the latitudes and longitudes cross each other to form the global grid. The global grid is used to locate, used to find. Yes, the global grid is used to find the exact location of a place. Students, let us learn about India. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. India is a land of cultural diversity. India achieved a remarkable progress not only in the field of agriculture but also in the field of technology, industry and overall economic development. Now moving on to understand what is India's location. India is located in the northern hemisphere. India is located in the northern hemisphere. It is situated in the southern part of Asia. India is situated in the southern part of Asia. Now moving on to understand the latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. The latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north. What is the latitudinal extent of India? 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Next, the longitudinal extent of India. What is the longitudinal extent of India? The longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. This is the longitudinal extent of India. What is the longitudinal extent of India? 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. Thus, India is situated in tropical and temperate zone. You know very well the important latitude line known as Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. Thus, India is situated in the tropical and temperate zone. The total number of latitude which are passing through India is 30. As well as the same, the total number of longitude which are passing through India is 30. This clearly specifies for us what is actual location of India. To the southeast of the mainland lies Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. To the southeast of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal. To the southwest of the mainland lies the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. To the southwest of the mainland lies the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. The southernmost point of Indian Union, you know very well, Indra Point. The southernmost point of the Indian Union known as Indra Point got submerged under the seawater in 2004 during the tsunami. Let us recall the location of India. India is located in the northern hemisphere. It is situated in the southern part of Asia. What is the latitudinal extent of India? The latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. What is the longitudinal extent of India? The longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the India into two equal parts. Thus, India is situated in tropical and temperate zones. Students, let us discuss about size of India. The total geographical area of the landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. The total geographical area of the landmass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It is the 7th largest country after Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil and Australia. You know one thing, India is the second most populous country in the world. The country has a land boundary about 15,200 kilometers. The country has a land boundary about 15,200 kilometers. And the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 kilometers. Students, do you know the northeast extent of the mainland of India? No? See, the north-south extent of the mainland of India is 3,214 kilometers. The east-west extent of the mainland of India is 2,999 2,933 km. India is bounded by the Fold Mountain in the northwest, north and northeast. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Why? If you have any idea? No? Okay, listen here. It means the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to the Gujarat in the west. The earth takes 4 minutes to rotate 1 degree of longitude. Therefore, the time taken by the earth to rotate through 15 degree longitude is 1 hour. Since India has a longitudinal extent of 30 degree, so there is a time difference of 2 hours between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat. Listen students, let us recall all the important points. India is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. India is a land of cultural diversity. India is located in the northern hemisphere. You know the latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. The longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer, one of the important latitude line, divides the country into 2 equal halves. Total number of latitudes which are passing through India is 30. India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the 2nd most populous country in the world.